Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to make Google Docs landscape in 2025. If you've ever struggled with switching from portrait to landscape mode for your documents, you're in the right place. This simple tweak is perfect for creating wider layouts, like for tables, images, or presentations. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have a document open in Google Docs. It's straightforward on both desktop and mobile, but we'll focus on the web version for now. Step 1. Click on the File menu located in the top left corner of your screen. It's the one with the folder icon, easy to spot. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select Page Setup. This will pop up a dialog box with several options. Step 3. In the Page Setup window, look for the Orientation section. You'll see two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Simply click on the radio button next to Landscape to switch it. Step 4. Double-check your margins and paper size if needed, then hit the OK button at the bottom. Your document will instantly update to landscape orientation. If you're using the Google Docs mobile app, go to the three-dot menu in the top right, select Page Setup, and choose Landscape from there. It's just as quick. One quick tip. Remember, this change affects the whole document. If you need mixed orientations, you might have to use section breaks. I'll cover that in another video. Also, always save your work afterward to avoid any surprises. And there you have it. Your Google Doc is now in landscape mode, ready for 2025's best designs. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.